What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my record on Subway Surfers. And if you guys are a fan of Subway Surfers, you might want to check the leaderboard for me. So you would go to the leaderboard here, wait for the game to load. While it's loading, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. So if you do, in the future, I'll be giving away an Xbox One and PS4. In the future. And if you could just tell your friends about my channel and tell them to go like and subscribe. Because they will be entered too. Ooh. Today's Friday? No clue. Friday. Okay. Okay, it's loaded. Go to top run. And there I am. Just go check Diamond out. And there I'll be. Sitting up there in the top third. And today, whoa, I'm already going so fast. And I was already going so fast just now. Alright, now I'm gonna try to go pretty fast. All you have to do is just develop the game and you get better and better and better. Oh shoot. Whoa. Too fast? As you can see, I'm a very pro at this game. And I have a lot of things on this game. 190 boards. Like 90,000 coins. Because I've been developing this game for at least 2 years now. 2 years. At least, probably more. Probably 3. Yeah, 3. I know I'm not a really big channel. I was just hoping you guys would help me out if you watch my videos. Because you guys seem to like the video of Fortnite. Of showing you guys how to download Fortnite. Because it's very simple. All you have to do... Well, I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to go check out that video yourself. Yeah, but I'm not going to tell you guys how to download it. If you want to know how to download it, I mean, most of you guys already downloaded it. I'm just saying. I'm playing one-handed right now. Oh. I'm level 21, as you can see. Just downloaded my Mos Bison live streamer on YouTube. The trick is, if it gets too fast for you, all you have to do is just use a board. Use a board, double tap, use the board. That's all you gotta do. What do I want? What I really want is I want a spike board. Okay. I don't really want that, but... What's the sale? I see. You know what I really want? I want the vault keys. Or a chest of coins. And I want a sack of keys. Maybe creative keys. One second, guys. I'll be right back. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Make sure, if you don't have this game, it's a really fun game and very entertaining. If you like entertainment, then this is the game to download on the Play Store. Whenever you have the time and you're bored or something, just go on your phone or something or whatever and make sure to download it because it's a very fun game. I already have this game. Oh, here in Word Cookies is a pretty fun game too. I don't want to download this game again. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. There we go. 200 coins. 100 coins. Wow. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, well, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Turn on the notification bells. And have a great day. See you later. Bye.